Do not buy your next set of lawnmower blades until you watch this video. I'm going to save you like 50% off. Hey y'all, thanks for tuning back into Chickanic. Hope everybody's having a great week. A while back I went to Lowe's and I had some serious sticker shock. So no, today is not me going over the crazy $56 oil change for John Deere's or the fact that you can get a air filter. Do not ever buy the John Deere brand when you come to the big box store. If you're at the actual John Deere store, they're much cheaper. But if you're at the big box store, they always have a Briggs one that is a few dollars cheaper because John Deere does not make engines. They have the Briggs & Stratton engine on their mower and then get the same part packaged up green and yellow and charge $3 more for it. So don't do that. But what I want to show you today is these blade prices. So first off, these prices have me tripping. $80 for two 42-inch cut blades. What? Okay, so I'm standing here and I have a customer walk up from my old lawnmower shop, and he's looking for blades, and we talked for a minute, and so he can't find. He's got his part numbers and what brands he has, but he can't find them anywhere. He knows he has a Craftsman, okay, but it's an older Craftsman before they were made by MTD. See, these ones got MTD part numbers on them. So he's got a Craftsman, but he's got a 5-star instead of a 6-star. So you look through this, you're not going to find that anywhere anymore. They make it very hard. So I go here and I'm like, well, I know that the older Craftsmans and the Husqvarnas are made by the same manufacturer. We got the 5-star there. All right, we're looking down here, $64. You're paying for paint, guys. You're paying for orange paint. Okay, so then he's got another mower, and it is a MTD mower. Do you see MTD anywhere? No. It's a 46-inch MTD. Well, I know that the Craftsman's made by MTD, and he's got a 6-star. So he's got the part number. We finally find the part number right here. But Lord, they make it hard. But man, $61. Yeah, we're not spending that today. But before we get into today's video, if you're a fan of saving time, money, and frustration while fixing your own small engine equipment while watching in-depth tutorials, you've come to the right place, because that's what I do. I upload a couple times a week, and if that sounds interesting, hit that like button, smash that subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell, and please leave a comment. I love to read through the comments, and I'll reply to all the early commenters. Now, like I showed you in that video, I've already made a video like years ago showing you that these manufacturers of mowers do not make their own engines. So whenever you need engine parts, whether it's John Deere or Skag or Toro or whatever, you always buy the engine parts from the manufacturer themselves. Like if it's a Briggs, a Kohler, Kawasaki, etc. But what we did not go over that day is mower blades. Because guess what, guys? These manufacturers, all these mower brands, none of them make blades. I don't care if it's Cub Cadet, MTD, Toro, Bad Boy, Skag. They're all made by a different manufacturer. Now, there are only a handful of blade manufacturers in the United States, and the top 3 that sell to all these big companies is Fisher-Barton, Oregon, and Rotary. Now, some of these blade manufacturers do nothing but sell blades, like Fisher-Barton. They are purely a blade manufacturing company. And then there are some, like Oregon or Rotary, that not only sell blades, but they also do aftermarket parts. Now, if you go look at my blade wall, there's hundreds of them over there. All of them are Rotary brand. I've been using them since I opened my repair shop in 2010, and they have pretty much gone on almost every single mower that we've ever had to replace blades on. Now, not only do I buy their blades, but I also get aftermarket spindles, belts, pulleys, carburetor kits, fuel filters, solenoids. They sell pretty much everything. Now, why do I like Rotary? Well, it's an American family-owned company. All their blades are made in America with U.S. steel. Now, Oregon, I don't mind them either. I get some of their aftermarket parts, but they are owned by private equity, which is Platinum Equity, the same people that bought out Kohler. Which I'm all about them making it too, but a lot of times you just want to support somebody that's family owned. But Fisher-Barton, Rotary, Oregon, these companies are the ones that make blades for all of the mower brands there are. So when you go to the store and you buy that painted set of OEM brand blades that are $60 to $70, They're made by the exact same people and probably are the same blade a lot of times as those aftermarket ones they're selling. In fact, Rotary makes blades for 18 different mower manufacturers. Of course, we're not allowed to know which ones they are. Now, Fisher-Barton, they make blades for like Skag, John Deere, you name it. Now, not in the store. If you go to the store like Lowe's, Home Depot, you are not going to see the brand Max Power. What you are going to find though, if you are online and you are looking up your blades at Lowe's or Home Depot and you have your part number, you know exactly which blade you want, it'll show you their brand, the expensive one, that it's like $60 a set or $70 a set, right next to Max Power, that's like $35 a set. Now Max Power, you gotta order. You could either pick them up in the store or have them ordered to your house. But you also can get them on Amazon, like next day. But now what are you saying? Well, Bree, what does Max Power have to do with Rotary? Well, let me show you. Now, here's the secret that I'm probably not supposed to be telling you. Max Power, made in the USA, replaces these OEM part numbers right here. If you pull up their tag, what is that? Houston? What is that? Guys, I believe that is a Rotary blade. So now you're asking, why is Rotary relabeling their blades and selling them at these big box stores like Lowe's and Home Depot? Well, that's because Rotary promised the dealers all through America that they sell through that they would never sell Rotary brand blades in the big box stores. And they're keeping their promise. So a lot of people have no idea what Max Power is. They've all heard of Rotary, but the secret's out. Max Power is Rotary. So you can go to Lowe's and you can get yourself some MTD blades, 2=46 inch, that are $60 something, or you can get some Max Power blades, which are Rotary, from Amazon next day for about $34. So guys, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to Max Power's Amazon store where they sell trimmer line, spindles, belts, blades, all aftermarket made by Max Power. If you'd like to go check it out and get some quality aftermarket parts at excellent prices. So guys, thanks again for tuning in to Chickanic. Hopefully this information will save you time, money, and frustration in the future. If you find yourself coming back over and over again, think about hitting that subscribe button. And if you ain't tired of me yet, check this video out right here.